how to sign up for Redbubble customer account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for Redbubble customer account. To do so, first of all, you will need to open any web browser on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Once on the browser, in the search bar, type in redbubble.com. Once you enter this keyword, press on enter to search for it. Now, within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Redbubble. Once you reach to this page, here at the top right, you will be able to locate sign up option. Click on it, and after doing that, you will be redirected to this page. In this page, you will get the options for artist sign up and customer sign up. As we are going to create customer account, so click on this customer sign up and then fill in these details. In this field, enter your email address, and in the second one, enter your username. Now in this third field, you will need to create a strong password for your account. Once you have created the password, if you want email notifications on special offers and artist news, you can check this box. And after that, click on this sign up button right here. By doing so, you will come back to this page. Here, you will be able to see you have successfully created an account on Redbubble. Now, after creating the account, you can explore this platform. So this is how you can create or sign up for Redbubble customer account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.